Now, earlier this month, the Department of Telecommunications sought industry stakeholder views for use of open APIs for emerging technologies. The policy document proposed encouraging use of open APIs as part of adoption of new and emerging technologies such as 5G, artificial intelligence, robotics, and Internet of Things, among others. A study by Postman Group showed that for companies working on digital transformation initiatives, 84.5% said that APIs play a significant role in their digitization journeys. The survey also pointed out that 50% of the respondents were looking to invest in APIs over the next 12 months. Hello and welcome to Tech Circle. I am Vignesh Anantraj, and in this video we'll discuss all about APIs and their significance in the near future. Now, what is an API? The internet provides many definitions. Let's read what Wikipedia has to say. API, which is short for Application Program Interface, is a computing interface which defines interactions between multiple software intermediaries. It defines the kinds of calls or requests that can be made, how to make them, and can also provide extension mechanisms so that users can extend existing functionality in various ways and to varying degrees. Pretty confusing, right? For us too. In basic terms, an API can just be understood as a service provided by one application to other external applications to exchange data. So it's basically like an intermediary between two applications. And APIs are by design made to enable interactions not only between applications but also between operating systems, data sources, and other services. Now, which are some of the companies who are recently betting heavy on APIs? Audio compression technology provider Dolby Laboratories recently launched Dolby.io, which is an API platform that gives enterprises and developers the option of integrating Dolby features into their applications. ICICI Bank launched its API portal back in January, and it had close to 25 APIs. And in March, it also rolled out the ICICI Stack with over 500 services built through APIs and digital solutions to ease banking amid the COVID-19 pandemic. And most recently, social media giant Facebook integrated its messaging platform, Messenger, with that of Instagram messaging through the use of APIs, thus giving businesses new tools to manage their customer communications on Instagram. And not only that, almost any major digital transformation or IT implementation initiative today will inevitably include the usage of APIs. In order for companies to realize the full potential of APIs, the inevitable question is how to choose the right API service. Let us delve into a few basic tips to choose the most apt API service for you. The first would be to look for clear documentation of the API and its functions. Such a documentation should include a sample code, and the instructions should provide a gist of how it functions with clear case studies. Next crucial step would be to check the data format. Currently, JSON or JSON, which is based on JavaScript, is a preferred way for the representation of data. Its biggest advantage is that it is easy to implement and can be easily read by humans. And then we will need to check the API's interface for your personal requirements and naming conventions, followed by setting API limits to avoid abuse by API customers. However, you need to know that such limits could also cause complexities and overheads from a developer's perspective. And lastly, do check what type of support mechanism the API provider has. Does the provider have an active community or forums where you can voice your concerns, or simply a mechanism to answer to your basic doubts and questions? These are some of the basic things to look out for while looking for an API service. Because APIs have become critical to the functions of our programs, applications, data, and customer interactions, API management has become a vital topic in the business sphere in helping towards a holistic integration approach. There are a multitude of API management providers out there who help to monitor, control, and monetize your APIs in a secure development environment. Some of the well-known names include the likes of MuleSoft Anypoint Platform, Postman, Amazon API Gateway, Dell Boomi, SAP Cloud Platform, Azure API Management, and IBM API Connect, among a host of others whom you can choose from. Now, what are some of the well-known benefits that API offers? For a start, it is a no-brainer that APIs allow for a higher efficiencies by helping developers meet their objectives on time and to help them do more with less time. APIs also allow for rapid innovation by providing standardized interfaces to external developers. Before APIs, developers needed to understand the data exchange models in and out. But in the current scenario, even non-developers and common citizens, commonly referred to as citizen developers, have been provided with the power to code and create software and applications through APIs and low-code, no-code platforms. But perhaps the biggest game changer is the third-party integration and personalization that API has offered to the world. This in turn provides companies to gain deeper insights into users and how they interact with applications, thus improving and bettering their overall positive experiences.